Alright, I am back here. I got my paint can all done. As you can see here, I soldered, make sure it was leak proof, 100%. Stuck the pipe in there, soldered that. Pipe comes up, goes to the exhaust outlet. I changed it around because I'm in my shed here and I want to blow the exhaust out the door. Double doors here, open up. So, before the exhaust was blowing straight up, that's for, outside, so it doesn't go anywhere near the machine, but I'm going to blow it straight out. Alright, so, here's the top. I got a couple of plastic flex hoses here. Alright, I put a pipe clamp on the one that has the drop-in hose. And you can see where I soldered. Where I soldered here. On here. Okay. I'm gonna take this gas here. This is regular old gasoline, probably the cheapest crap you could buy. Pour it in there. Okay. This gasoline. Oh Jesus, that steel wool was still in there. No big deal. Doesn't matter really, I guess. Alright. So we're going to put the lid back on this thing here. Push it down. By the way, this paint can, you buy it at any local hardware store for about $1.50, depending on where you live, plus tax. So it's a real cheap tank, real cheap takeaway, and they're designed to handle petroleum products, because as you know, paint is a petroleum-based product. So, just want to make sure this has got a good seal on it, all the way around. Good. I'm going to jam this hose in here. By the way, you're watching me fire this up for the first time. I have not yet done it. I'm praying it works on video. I think it's gonna though. Alright. As long as that hose is high enough here. I don't want to get any back spray and spray gas all over my shed. I hate that shit. Okay. Alright. So, I did notice on one of the videos on YouTube that people had a pipe on the exhaust that had a valve, and then I watched other videos that stated you don't need a valve on the exhaust. And with the smaller one, the smaller gas tank I made out of the ball jar, I didn't have one on the exhaust and it ran fine. I mean, it didn't run fine, but it ran. So now I'm going to try it with this bigger tank here. Put a new coil for this generator. This generator needed a new coil. It was about $25 on eBay. Here we go. Let's see, maybe we'll get this cut off a little bit, suck some fuel instead of air. Put her up a little bit. She's not firing. Well, I'm gonna set this can down because I can't get this camera down because I can't get a good pull on it. Hold on one second. And there you go. She runs like a charm. Yeah, and I'm thinking that's going to be extremely efficient since it's only using vapor. And there was absolutely no fluid there. If you see, I curled the pipe for you, so if I was pulling any fluid, it would sit here at the bottom of the pipe. And we got nothing. No fluid whatsoever sitting there. So it's all vapor. It's all air in there. It's all vapor coming in. And that's about what I got so far. And I know this is only a 5,000 watt generator, but even if I only get a 2,000 watt load on it, I mean that's still a huge amount of power for extremely low cost in comparison to buying it from the electric company or buying a 20% efficient solar panel, which is like the biggest, stupidest crap on the planet that I think was invented, honestly. I mean, it's a good supplement, I suppose, but diodes and all that, you start getting involved in that kind of thing, and if there's a small EMP or any type of electromagnetic pulse in the air, your diodes are going to be shot instantly. So what good is solar in a severe situation? At least with AC, it's all magnet and copper and straight current. All right. Hopefully, I'll have more information for you guys in a couple of days.